Hello everyone, my name is Gus Warren of UFOSightingsDaily.com, and today I have something very fascinating for you. The UFO on Mars is back. The one I showed you back in April 28th and May is back again in a new Mars photograph. And here is the photo enlarged, and you can see it right up here on the hilltop. And there you go. Let me zoom out so you can see most of the photograph there. There it is, way, way out there. At first I thought it was a jellyfish UFO, but I was mistaken. It is not a jellyfish UFO. It is the same cylinder object that we saw before. Now when I say cylinder object, I mean back in April 28th on my website I posted some information about this long cylinder UFO seen in the sky for over 10 minutes. It's already documented by the NASA rover itself. See the times underneath? This is an exact screenshot from the NASA website. So you have the times. Over 10 minutes this object was seen in the sky. Okay, that's pretty fascinating, right? Well, it was seen again back in May 4th, 2014. So just a few weeks later it showed up again. And I made this GIF right here. Can you see the GIF of the object flying upward? Again, it was seen for about 10 minutes, actually a little bit longer this time, a few minutes longer, and it's going upward, not downward. We have the order of the photographs to follow. So that's kind of strange, a little bit unique, but in this photograph itself right here, this is the original source, you can see that this object right here is the same one. It is a cylinder. Now let me show you why I say it's a cylinder and it's the same one. Now at first I thought this was a contrail back here behind it, but it's not a contrail. It's actually, the front of it is glowing because of the direct sunlight bouncing off of it, but back here when you add light to it you can see it's not a contrail. There is a long cylinder object behind it, which is really unique. Now if I go and make lines so you can see it a little bit, you can see me. Whoops, that line's way too big. Still too big. You can see the lines right here of this object. Okay, so it goes pretty far. It looks like it disappears right about over here somewhere. But the object is back again. Okay, this photo was taken by the Mars Curiosity rover, and here it is. It says Sol 636. It is the rear haze cam B, left B, taken May 21st, 2014 at 15:27:34 UTC. Image details right here. Let's click on that and see what we can find out about the details of this photo. Okay, so this tells us the image details of the photo. Curiosity sends back images, blah, blah, blah. It really doesn't tell us where it is or what's been going on. It just tells us that more, instructions. Anyway, when you look at this photo and you change the lighting in it, you can see that the object is the same. It's the same cylinder object. Right there. Add a little contrast, you can see it better. Okay, there you go. Now this object was seen many times, but NASA has failed to respond. Now I sent about 25 text messages to NASA, 2 different NASA Twitter accounts, and I got 0 answers, and I had over 80 retweets on those. So I really don't know what you have to do to get a response from NASA, but I do know one thing. When you say the word UFO or you represent a UFO website, you're not going to get an answer. Don't expect an answer, because I'm sure as hell not getting one. This is an absolutely amazing photograph. You can see the shadows of the Mars Curiosity rover here and the object up here on the hill. So the object is right up here, far off. But let me zoom out so you can see the full 100% photo. There it is, right there. Go in, go in, Go in. Let's reset it so it's back to normal color. This is normal color. I don't want you to think I'm messing with the colors or anything to fool you. I'm not trying to fool anyone. I am merely trying to add light and contrast so we can see the objects better. Okay, there it is on the hill. And zoom in a little bit more. Wow, that's a lot more. But let me do it one more time. I'm showing you right here with the controls. I'm changing the light, the exposure, so you can see the cylinder large angle. And now let me show you what it looks like here. Remember, this is April 28th, 2014. Looks like the same one, doesn't it? And remember, this was a series of photos, taken over 10 minutes. And it was also seen on May 4th. On May 4th, sorry about that. And I made this GIF so you can see it moving upward. It actually looks like it has a wing right here at this point when it gets right to here. See that wing? Okay. So if you want to check out this photo, if you're interested in finding this photograph, just click on this link right here and you will find it. There'll also be a link below in the About section, but I do share my videos with other people, so if they have it, they might not have this link there. So check it out, see if it's real or not, and if it is, please confirm it on the video so other people can see it's not a fake, that I didn't make it up, that it's really there. And please like this video, subscribe, and visit UFOsightings daily.com for our daily UFO news. Thank you very much.